Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me, what do you do in the morning?
Thanks for asking. Actually, I get up in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After then, I go outside for one walk. Getting back home, I then have something for what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my working place, and that's all.